Welcome to the video on types of loads. This video explains how to estimate the load capacity of the floor while designing a data center. Data centers can range from small facilities within an enterprise running traditional enterprise applications to huge outsourced installations that provide data services. The data centers of today are massive structures capable of processing, storage, and connectivity of large amounts of data. For instance, Super NAP with more than 2 lakh square yards is the largest known live data center. This is almost twice the size of Google's largest data center. Such a center can pack a lot of powerful computing resources. The computing resources include heavy servers placed within racks and cabinets. Equipment such as servers, switches, and power supplies can weigh hundreds of pounds. Therefore, the floor of the data center should be strong enough to handle such weight. How would you calculate the total weight on the equipment in the floor? First, add the weight of all the empty racks and cabinets. To this, add the approximate weight of all the devices that would be placed within the racks and cabinets. Lastly, add the approximate weight of all the equipment that would be placed directly on the floor. Once you know this weight, then you should know if the existing floor would be able to sustain the calculated weight. The load impact point will help you understand the capacity of the floor. Let's begin with the maximum point load that a tile can support. Generally, equipment is placed on rollers or casters. The worst point load is the quarter of the weight of the heaviest standalone equipment or rack. Sounds confusing? Let's do some calculations. The weight of an HP Enterprise Series rack is approximately 3,000 pounds. The point load on a tile, or what each caster would support, would be 750 pounds. If a tile is supporting 2 such casters, then its point load strength should be 1,500 pounds or higher. The next type of load impact point to be considered is the maximum weight that a single tile supports. A solid tile would support more weight as compared to a perforated tile. Even within a solid tile, the types of base material determines the weight it can hold. Modern data centers' raised floors usually use cement-filled steel or cast aluminium tiles. If the tiles are made of cast aluminium, they will not weaken by perforation or grating. Each type of tile comes with a load rating. The load ratings can range from 1,000 pounds to 25,000 pounds. Knowing the maximum point load of a single is very important for determining the maximum weight that the data center floor would support. Further, the load type would also make a huge impact on the tile selected for the floor. The data center may have some areas that have low-end lightweight servers or office administration areas. Such areas can have low-rated tiles since they would not bear the load of heavy equipment. To conclude, it is expensive to replace floor tiles in a live data center. So, it is very important to consider the load capacity of the floor tiles before installing the equipment over them.